Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is 18M92A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a factory trailer hitch, as well as a rear backup camera on the back. Hardcover on top keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seats are heated and cooled, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. 4-wheel drive, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control, and your sunroof is up top. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.